In this video, I will show you how to use Chatgpt to create a personalized sales email assistant for your business. I begin by pasting a detailed prompt that defines the persona, tone, and specific rules for my new writing assistant to ensure every message sounds human and helpful. Chatgpt confirms these instructions by outlining its new strategy, which prioritizes being specific and relevant while avoiding common salesy cliches. Now that the assistant is set up, I provide specific details about a freelance social media manager reaching out to a bakery to request a cold outreach email. The AI generates a professional draft that highlights the bakery's quality while showcasing my growth statistics and offering a full management service. This email is structured to be read in under 30 seconds, making it perfect for busy business owners who value directness. I then use the Share tool to see how easily I can export this text directly to Gmail or Outlook. Next, I ask for a follow-up email that provides a new tip without making the recipient feel guilty for not replying. Chatgpt produces a friendly follow-up that suggests sharing behind-the-scenes clips, like fresh batches coming out of the oven, to drive engagement. This provides immediate value to the client and positions me as a creative partner rather than just another vendor. I wrap things up by refining the follow-up one last time to ensure it is as direct as possible. This final result focuses on how a consistent content plan can drive foot traffic, ending with a low-pressure invitation to chat. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.